Hello, welcome to Nancy's Chinese class. Today we just talk about something about Chinese number. If you're a new beginner, you haven't learned pinyin, I recommend this lesson for you. Because of this, you can say from 1 to 99. You also can say time, age, then date, and something. Okay, let's start. The first one is e. How to pronounce this? And if you know the English, just like this, we just pronounce e. Just in pinyin, I, y, and yi, they have the same pronunciation. They pronounce e. Just we pronounce the English he. Just like this, he. And e, is that means one. Okay. And next one is two, okay? And two, how to pronounce this is r. Okay, because we know the English car, we need to curl the tongue, car, okay? And this is r, the first tongue, just like pronounce this. And in Chinese pinyin, we have 4 different tongues. Just we sing a song, okay? We have do, re, mi, fa, so, right? And the e, this one is the first tongue. First tongue is like a so, just a e, and the r, so, fa, mi, re, do, okay? Just we drive your car. Go down very quickly and fast. R, okay? And the next one, we have this one. This one pronunciation is san, okay? We just, how to pronounce this? Pinyin, we just say san, but if we haven't learned pinyin, just like the English, or just say see, s. And an, just we say run. We need this part. Just san is their first tongue. Just like we sing a song, we need a so, just like a san, okay? And the si, how to pronounce this si, we just pronounce this, just like, because this is the first tongue, and the s, we still like pronounce c, we need this part, and this one, just like we pronounce this part, and pronunciation is si, just so, fa, mi, re, do, just goes down very quickly and fast, si, but smooth tongue, we don't need the curled tongue. The next one is wu, that means 5, okay? Wu. How to pronounce wu? Wu. Okay, because we know the English is room. Okay, we need this wu. But the third tongue just like this. We just sing a song. We longer and need to change our pronunciation, just like so, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, so. Just like this, okay? And we need down and rise up. So, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, and wu. And this w and this wu and this one, this is 3-1 have the same pronunciation. Just wu. Just wu, just pronounce wu, but the third time is wu. If we just say wu, this Chinese character, that means dance. 舞蹈跳舞, that means dance, okay? And this wu, that means 5. They have the same pronunciation. And next one is 6. 6 we say lìrú. how to pronounce this, okay? If we know the English, this is love. We need this. And the liu, maybe just pronounce it just like this. Liu, Leo, Leo. Okay. Liu, Liu. And first time, and just like so fa mi right do, and very quickly and fast. Liu. Okay. And next one is qi. How to pronounce this? Qi. Qi, we also have the same pronunciation. If we have Chinese character is this, that means wife. Okay, and the qi also have the meaning wife, and the same pronunciation. But they have a different Chinese character. Okay, qi. How to pronounce this? Because we know cheese. We need this part, and the e. We just know he. Okay, this part, and this is the first tongue. First tongue, just like a so. We say qi, just like this. Okay, and this one is bu, ba, 8, ba. How to pronounce this? Because we just need know the bed. We need this part. And the just like English, English this is ba. Also the first time, just like the sing a song so ba. Okay, we have qi and ba. Okay, we have learned from 1 to 7. 1 to 7, and we have the song just like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 我的朋友在哪里？在这里，在这里，我的朋友在这里。That's a find your friend songs. Okay, but the first is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and the 8 is 8. Okay. The next one is 九jiu. 九, that means 9. Okay, how to pronounce this? Because this one we have the word jar. And this one, just like this, we pronounce leo. And 九 pronounce this, and just this part plus this part, and the 九, the third tongue. Third tongue, just we sing a song, just like so, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, longer, and change pronunciation. So, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, 九. Still have the same pronunciation, different Chinese character. 九 still means wine. Just drink wine. We say 喝酒. Okay, and the last one is 十. Okay, how to pronounce this? Because we know this words shoe. We need this part. And this one, we he, this part. 十, the second tongue. Second tongue is do, re, mi, fa, so. Just we need to go up, rise up. Just drive your car and feel a little hard, a little difficult. Just rise up, just 十. Okay, this is about from 一 to 十. We just review it. Okay, 一二三四五, and the 六 just the finger, just like this. 六. Okay, and the 七, this one just like we eat something, we drink something. 八 like a smile, like a gong. 八, and the 九 like a hook, just this, 九九九. And the 十, sometimes we use this, but it is in Japan, that means you cannot do something. But we use this, just means 10, 十, 十, 十. And also sometimes use this, 十, 十, 十. Okay, this is about the number. And we can use this number, we can count from 1 to 99. Okay, we just use the 1 to 10. We just practice and count the number from 1 to 99. Okay, the first we write 35. How to pronounce this? Okay, we just have this one. Okay, because we have learned this is san. How to pronounce this? Just like a C, we need this part. And the san, we need the ran. But the first tongue, so we just say san. And the next is shi, right? We know 10 is shi. How to pronounce this? Because we know this is shu. We need to know this part. And this one, we need the he. It's shi. And the wu, okay, we have this wu. How to pronounce this, right? Wu, okay, because we know this, just like a room. Okay. And this one, this one, this one. These three have the same pronunciation, wu. And the third tongue is wu, so fa mi re do re mi fa. And the 35 is san shi wu, right? We can say this number. Okay, we just try another one. If we just have this one, how to say about this one? This one we still can have this. Ba, shi, jiu, right? Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, it's magic, right? You can just counter number by yourself. The next one, we just practice this. How to say about this one? We just say 四 十 六, right? Yeah, you can just say it by yourself, okay? And next one, okay, we just to practice about this one. Okay, this one we can say 二 十 十 一, right? 二十一. Okay, the last one, we can have this one. How to say? Okay, this one. Okay, this one we can say 六 十 七, right? You can count the number by yourself, okay? If you forget, you can just see, review about from 1 to 10. I believe it's easy for you to say from 1 to 99, okay?